Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rename any of your folder that you created before. So I just want to change this folder name into my desktop. So I'm going to name it. Uh, for that, just simply select your folder, click on the right mouse button and then click this rename icon over here. And then I'm going to name it as new name, or I'm going to name it as this PC. And yeah, this is how you can change name or rename into your folders. Also, you can do it for your older folders like this PC. Go for any of folder, like I'm going for this local C drive. And if I want to change the Xbox games name, just simply click on that right mouse button, and then you just need to click this rename icon. I'm going to name it as Xbox games over here. I click enter. So yeah, this is how you can rename folder into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.